Hey my lovelies, this is Mutulu and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some fresh Ghanaian pepper. So here I have roughly about a kilo of cherry plum tomatoes. We have 8 habaneros. Now you can use Scotch bonnet if that's all you have. I have a red onion, medium size-ish. So we're going to put all of this in the blender together and blend it until smooth. It's very simple. Now this pepper, we usually serve it fresh. We have it traditionally with Kenkey and stuff like that. But if you're looking for an alternative to Kenkey, then you can work with Fonio or Fufu. The full recipe is in our cookbook, Cook with Mutulu. So as you can see, very smooth, very easy to make. Now you want to store this in a glass jar for preservation purposes. And you want to consume this within 1 week, okay? Now, if you want to learn more recipes like this, you can get our cookbook, Cook with Mutulu, via mutulu.co.uk. Take care, my lovelies.